The search for Canada's top chef starts now.
Let's go!
The top culinary talent from coast to coast is here to show what Canada is made of.
I came here to push myself.
I want to be the best of the best.
I'm not the best chef in the world, but I'm the best chef in this room right now.
That's beautiful.
10 chefs, 10 origin stories.
I grew up hunting and foraging. I started in kitchens in Hong Kong.
My dad owned a pub. I was pretty much born into the industry.
Let's go!
They'll show us who they are and what they've got.
This tastes like fear and anxiety all at the same time, but delicious.
Make some noise!
This season is all about cooking with pride.
I love being able to stand up here as a queer Asian female chef. This is definitely a pinch me moment.
Creating dishes that honor our cultural identities.
It's really beautiful.
Seasoned with love. All while striking the perfect balance.
Stunning.
But this competition is no joke.
Careful, careful.
One of the hardest things I've ever done.
2 minutes! 2 minutes!
Because of the pressure.
The stress.
It's very stressful. Sorry, just need a minute.
It's tough.
Behind.
Really intense. Oh, come on!
You question yourself along the way, like, is this worth it?
Okay. Wait a minute.
The table is set.
This is unbelievable.
And the judges with a roster of superstar guests are ready.
The flavors are wild.
This is what I would dream for a fried chicken dish. So good. So good.
The best Restaurant Wars menu we've ever had.
Wow, I'm gonna cry.
Again?
One chef will rise to the top to win it all. Take home a life-changing prize.
Jackpot.
And the title of Canada's top chef.